so I'll pay a visit to the neighborhood store. Ralph's was the spot, guess what's in store? Jackie 40's getting chased by narcs, kicking the cop cars parked, hassling other crews at the park. I remember plucking toys, back when I was bored. Destroying property would bring me joy, but soon enough to be arrested. Raiding my house, paranoia wouldn't let me rest shit. Infested with nightmares, so I couldn't sleep. Yo, wake up, reality check with my signature on the bottom. Probation was a bitch, violations I never caught them. Too slick, talk my way out of drug test, but the bulletproof vest almost fell, but they cut me a rest. Cut me a rare piece of forgiveness. I'm a witness, why the fuck do I always have a mistress? Cause hip hop's my wife and rap is my bitch. One step for me when I slip like a waste containing a clip. I'm sick of this shit, but continue